stop stroking it. It has thorns on it, son. Be delicate. Okay? Do you want to get a little bitty thorn stuck in your fingers?
No, sir.
All right, then. Listen to me. I know what I'm talking about. It's a cactus.
Which one is this one, Greg? Sugar dragon. The sugar dragon. It's a candy.
Get that log out of there. Because these, we won't water a lot. Because they're cacti. Water too much, that'll kill them. Alright. So, there we go. Let's turn it. See how Daddy's holding it?
But can I put
Yeah,
it in?
I'm showing you how to hold it. Okay, go ahead. 2 hands. And push it down in there. Alright, that's good. And then you gotta push the soil. Alright, which one is this? Sugar dragon.
Is it a candy?
Oh, huh?
Is it a candy?
Yeah, candy.
Sugar dragon? A candy? Oh,
Now-
sugar daddy, I think.
No, it's called sugar dragon.
Well, that's solid, Mom.
And see, Mr. Paul, he knows about plants because he made you to put arrows on it so you know which end to plant in the soil. Because if you plant the wrong end, it'll never root. You want it to root. And that's why we won't water these. Because we won't water for about a week. And when we do, very little water. Dragon fruit are climbing cacti. They like to climb on things. So we're going to have to make trellises for these things to climb on in the spring.
What are trellises?
Trellises are just devices so that plants can climb. And they like nice, loose, well-draining soil.
Can I do this one too?
Sure, they're your dragon fruit, buddy. You grab that one out there. Remember, be delicate with it.
Daddy, that's cute. Oh, this is a long one.
Yeah, it is. What's the name of that one?
This one is...
That's perlite. It's made from volcanic glass.
Oh, yeah. This is... I don't know how to say it.
Ooh. Ecuador palola. You got an Ecuador palola. That's a rare one. Yeah, you want to put this one in?
It's a rare one?
Yeah.
It's a rare candy?
Yeah, all right, that's good.
It's a rare candy?
It's a rare dragon fruit. Not all of them going to be named by candies, buddy. Okay. But you do have a rare one. You like rare things, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, look, this one's so tall, it won't fit in the cabinet.
Oh! Where did you put it in? My room?
Mommy wanted to put them in your room, but they need to have this constant light from the grow light. And I told her it's not a good idea.
And plus the cats.
And plus the cats.
Oh. Okay. Oh, there's more. How many more left? I don't know.
It should be like 2 more. Be careful.
Oh,
Oh, whoa, look at that one.
it's big. Great pop.
It's only 5 in there. Okay, good. Look how it twists. Show Corinne.
Can I do that? This one again? But I want it to be big. You did the last one. You did that dragon fruit. Yeah, but this is the last one. You did the other one over there, the rare one. Let's see if there's more though.
There's no more.
Oh.
It's only 5 in there.
Can I do it for it?
That's nice of you, buddy. It's sharing.
Ooh,
And
this
it's still
is
your dragon
good.
fruit. This one's grape pop.
Is that a rare candy? I mean, is
That's
that
a soda. Grape pop, like soda pop. Some people call soda pop. Alright, there we go. Alright.
It's big but tiny.
And we just, now we wait for them to root. They have to get their roots first. Once they get their roots, then we can start watering them. too much. Why?
Because they're cacti.
That's right. So, Korea, did you want to take a picture with your iPad of them?
Yep. Just made a video of it.
You did?